Hey guys, today is Wednesday, December 30th. I just got back from a doctor's appointment and I'm off work today. So I wanted to do a project because it's time. So this is what I'm gonna do today. I am going to clean my closet because it is just like a wreck. Mainly the bottom is like, what is happening? Like, how did I let it get so, like, whatever. I'm gonna start like with all this stuff because a lot of this stuff just doesn't need to be up here. This is like my main closet, so it's like my work stuff and like when I'm like running errands on days off, stuff I just like gravitate to. And right now, especially like the back of the closet, I feel like it's just random stuff. And I have like a lot of stuff downstairs that needs to come up here. I would show y'all like that, but it's just a lot of walking that I don't feel like doing. And then I have like shoes up here that are like mainly heels. And I'm like, where are you going? So yeah. I need to like make it make sense in here so that like all the stuff that I bought isn't just like thrown at the bottom like I don't care about life. I put this on my Instagram story, but I finally got I'm saving it for a clothing haul, that's why I haven't opened it. I got my things from Pretty Little Thing. Yeah, that's like my second time shopping with them. But I, for the first time, shopped with Boohoo. And I'm like having difficulty with them because I've actually ordered like 2 things from them. And I haven't gotten either one of them. And I'm just like, are they a scam? Like, what is it? Like, comment down below if you have ordered from Boohoo before and let me know like what your experience was, because I don't want this to be a one and done for me, especially since so many influencers talk about them and they never talk about any issues. But it's been like over a month and I still haven't received like my packages. So I'm just like, I was gonna contact customer service just to like see what is going on. But after I clean the closet, Jermaine is at practice. So once he gets back, my plan is to go to Sephora because I want to use my gift card that I got for Christmas because I wanted to pick up a few things. And I just need to like get some maternity pants and I got to get some stuff. So I'm going to do that once he gets back. But until then, and we need to put these eyebrows on the list. I don't know if that's going to be like something to do today, but we are struggling. But it's just some self-care like needs to happen this week because between work and school and pregnancy, like I feel like I just have not like gotten myself together. So we are going to get these eyebrows done, but I don't know if that's gonna be today. Today's focus is this closet so we can make sense, because you know when you just feel like there's like chaos, like I just feel like when I get ready for work or when I get ready for anything for that matter, I feel like I don't know what's going on. So we about to declutter, but you saw the before and then I'm going to show you guys the after, so that yeah, I'm excited because this is long overdue, and since I'm off, we just about to get to it. So when I come back, I'll show you the after and then we're going to head to Sephora. Bye. I wore this little thing for my birthday. It's like a little skirt, got little buttons on the side. You can make it go up as high as you want to. And then it comes with like a little crop jacket. Obviously, with my belly, we ain't doing nothing with this right now. Okay guys, it's about an hour or so later. Surprisingly, this did not take me as long as I thought it was going to be. This is my main closet, so this is not everything. I took out everything this is more so for like day-to-day use, stuff that I gravitate to, pull from all the time, because this closet is in our bedroom, and other closets and everything downstairs has like everything else, but this is what it looks like. So I have like the shoes that I wear all the time right there, and then up there is where I put like my like luxury bags, I consider them, so they're not just like downstairs. And I changed all the hangers so they're all black now. And I even try to do like by color. Got the black, gray, brown, purple, blue, green. As you can see, most of this is just jackets and cardigans, long sleeve shirts, stuff like that, because that's just the season we're in right now. And this is the things I'm gonna grab. And here are the bottoms I've decided to keep. You know, my stomach is growing, so it's not like really, I'm probably just gonna wear leggings most of the time anyway. And yeah, so that's why, and keep a lot of denim up here, because I'm like, for what? And then mainly down here is like slippers. Yeah, it's like slippers and like low top shoes, and then there's like Chucks. But yeah. Yes, buddy. So yeah, I'm all finished. This is just like phase one. I still have other closets to clean, and I have to do like my dressers and like my folded stuff. There we are. Today's project done. Hey guys. Lord, today is New Year's Eve. Today is Thursday, December the 31st, the last day of 2020. Thank God. So I'm on my way to work. It's like 11:15. It actually snowed yesterday. Like, so it's so pretty and stuff outside. It stopped. I don't think it's expected to do like much more. I think I looked at it last night, and it said some like snow and stuff like that possible on Friday, but you know the weather changes up every single day, so who knows. The last part of the vlog, I was like cleaning my closet, and I said that I was going to go to Sephora like after I finished, once Jermaine got home. But Jermaine got home around like 6 or so, so we got ready and left. But I just forgot to pay attention to the fact that, you know, hours and stuff are different, because, you know, everyone had like extended hours throughout like holiday season up to Christmas, but pretty much all of that kind of went back to normal, on top of the fact that this is like holiday week. So we went to the mall, because we have, to my understanding, I think we have like 2 Sephoras here. One of them is like the one that's connected to JCPenney's, and that one isn't like a full Sephora. So I really didn't know what was there, and I didn't want to go to that one if they didn't have like everything the big one has. What is the issue? I swear people drive so freaking reckless. Anyways, I didn't want to risk going to that one, so we went to the one that's like a standalone Sephora. Well, it's not really standalone because it's in the mall, but it's like the actual Sephora location. But the mall was sorry, the mall was open, but the Sephora wasn't. Like, they closed I think at like 7. So when I looked at my phone, it was like 7:30. So I was like, it might have been smart to like look up times and stuff, because yesterday, like I said, I was trying to go to Sephora to pick up a few things, and I needed to get some maternity pants, because like regular like work pants that I've been wearing lately, I think they're just putting a lot of pressure on my bladder, and it just makes me like have to use the restroom constantly. Like, I feel like when I'm at work, I use the restroom way more than I do like when I'm at home. So I'm like, I use these pants. So after, let me just say, this is like my little rant for the day. It is very interesting. Like, I was only pregnant like 3 years ago, and I feel like maternity like stores and like departments inside stores have changed like dramatically. Because after we went to Sephora, and I guess I could have looked around in there, but I pretty much, when Sephora wasn't open, I was just like, okay, time to move on. Like, I didn't even bother to look to see, because I was just like over it, and I figured most of the stores were probably closed or about to close. So we left and we went to Ross, TJ Maxx, and Burlington. And I asked, first I look around, you know, I like to look. I'm not just gonna go right up to a person, and I guess maybe that saves time, I don't know, but I looked first and I couldn't find a maternity department. So that's when I finally went up to like look for associates and stuff, and I'm like, where's the maternity department? All 3 stores were like, we don't have one. So I was just kind of like, I'm like, where are we supposed to shop for maternity clothes? Like, I don't plan on buying like maternity shirts or anything. I'll just go up a size if I need to. But pants, I feel like, other than leggings, like your stomach, your waist, your uterus, just everything is huge. Like, so it's like, what are we supposed to wear? Like, Jermaine was like, I'm confused. I was like, I guess I am too. Like, we started looking on Amazon, but KURLS has a very small maternity department, but it's better than nothing. So that's where I end up getting my maternity pants. That's my rant for today. I just think it's kind of weird that there's just like nobody sells maternity clothes. I didn't even think that would be like a concern. We just went to stores. I wasn't even thinking about the fact that people wouldn't have one. And then Bye Bye Baby, which is like a baby store, I was gonna go there, but they closed at 8. So thank God I found a pair at KURLS. I was thinking about probably getting a pair of like maternity leggings or something like that from Amazon. But other than that, like, I'm not gonna do a whole bunch of maternity shopping, because, you know, after I'm pregnant, it's useless. But I do need it like for the next few months. So that was just really interesting that no one had anything. I'm off tomorrow, so that's the plan. I'm gonna go tomorrow to go to Sephora again, and I'm just gonna go early this time so that there's no issues with them being closed, because tomorrow is New Year's Eve, so I'm sure everyone's hours are gonna be weird. So I'm just gonna get it out of the way early, check the hours before I go, because I'm just excited to use my little gift card. So I'm trying to go to Sephora. Just running a little errands because I plan to film tomorrow. So it's like, I wanted to go to Sephora and I needed hair products to film with. So it's just like, I'm trying to run all these errands before I film. So that's what I'm going to do tomorrow. And yeah, then we're going to film. I'm going to do 2 videos since I'm off tomorrow. I'm drinking my little smoothie on my way to work. It's like, it's called a red smoothie. And it had, I don't remember everything. I know I looked at it for like a brief second, and I know like I added pineapples because we had some, but it's like pineapples, bananas, like cherries, stuff like that. It was in it. It's really good. It's the last one, so we're gonna have to make like a run to get smoothie packs because I've ran out. So yeah, I'm filming 2 videos tomorrow. One will go up next Wednesday, and then one will go up the following Wednesday. And then, yeah, we'll go from there. Yeah, I don't get off until like 8. Otherwise, I would start like some filming and stuff tonight. But I know I'm gonna be tired, so. Alright guys, I just wanted to talk to you guys for a second on the way to work. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.